question. What is your first impression to your co-teachers?
Well, my first impression with my co-teachers is actually when I was thinking that these people are serious in doing their jobs, and I'm correct.
Then this is our second question, sir. How is your relationship towards your students?
Well, my relationship with my students is what I call like a roller coaster ride because it has ups, it has downs, and a lot of look arounds. But then, all I can say is that it's a very good experience for me because most of them are really good students.
Sir, as you observe those students, is it really hard to have relationship with them when it comes to their attitude?
Yeah, it's challenging, but what is important is that you can overcome these problems, these challenges, and yes, it makes you a better person if you're able to, if you will be able to overcome the challenges.
Knowing, sir, that you have lots of activities with your college friends, is there anyone caught your attention?
Anyone who caught my attention in what
Yes.
sense? You are talking about the, relationship.
Feelings or emotions that you feel? Your friends?
Yeah, maybe so, but well, it's more on a filial level actually. It's just, well, being friends, going around as friends.
Sir, what is your feeling to be part in the Lasallian community that you are teaching now?
Well, actually, I'm very, very honored to be part of the community because LaSalle is a very big school. It caters the needs of those people who are marginalized and those people who do not have the means in order to study.
Thank you,
I'm
sir.
very honored.
How is your experience in Bagyong Sindong, sir?
Well, my experience in Bagyong Sendong is very, well, I can say traumatic. Until now, we have to struggle in order to stand up, but it's also an eye-opener for me that you have to really live your life to the fullest.
What is, sir? How did you survive from all the tragedy caused by Bagyong Sindong?
Well, one has to stay strong. If you will just stay there and then do nothing, then there will be no improvement. You have to be strong so that not only for yourself but also for your family. And yes, you have to help each other. That's maybe the reason why I was able to survive the tragedy caused by syndrome.
Are there any more dreams in your life that have not yet come true?
Yeah, there are still dreams. Well, I'm a person who is also a dreamer. I have lots of ambitions. Well, I was dreaming also to have a career which is more successful and maybe someday have my own family also.
And this is our answer. What is your message to all the people watching us, especially to students?
Yeah, you should do your best, exert effort, and when you do your best, when you do your exert effort, dedicate it to the Lord because everything is for the greater glory of God.
Sir, this is last. Sir, is there any teachers that you fall in love, which is
Uh,
That someone that can you share your experience about the tragedy that comes to your life?
well, I have a lot of friends there, teachers. Usually we share our experiences. We have our prayer meetings also. It's an avenue for us, a time for us wherein we share our experiences. But when you're referring to a person who is special to me in, well, someone special, well, it's just maybe a feeling, a one-sided feeling.
then who is that girl, sir?
I do not know to mention.
Okay. That is too private for me, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Beautiful ladies.
Students, thank you for watching the Showbiz.